Okay, now we're going to use our logarithm properties to expand these logarithms to more than one log. So if I'm looking at this first one, log base 6 of 4xy, it's multiplying 4 times x times y. My product property says I can separate that as log base 6 of 4 plus log base 6 of x plus log base 6 of y. So wherever there's multiplication of what you're taking the log of, I can separate it to adding logs of those different things that I was multiplying up here in the log. And so that's my expanded form of that logarithm. Okay, over at log of x squared y, I can do the same thing. There's multiplication right there. So I can separate this out as log of x squared plus log of y. Now I could stop here, it's kind of expanded, but I notice there's this exponent up here, and I want to get rid of that, so I can use the power property and take that 2 and bring it down in front. So it's going to become 2 log x plus log y, and that would be completely expanded. Okay, now this log base 4 one down here at the bottom has a big quotient going on, and so what I want to do first to take care of that is I'm going to do the quotient property and split this up into 2 different logs that are subtracted. Okay, so before I go any further, I notice there's a multiplication right there, so I can separate this first log into 2 different logs that are added because of the product property. So this would become log base 4 of 2 plus log base 4 of x squared, and I still have this minus log base 4 of y cubed. And it's separated to all different logs. Now the only thing is I see exponents still, and usually when we're expanding these we like to get rid of these exponents. And actually log base 4 of 2, there's actually a number represented there. If I did this over on the side, log base 4 of 2, I want to calculate that like I was doing earlier. I would set that equal to x, and I would change this into exponential form. This is log base 4, so 4 is my base. My log equals my exponent, so x is my exponent, and this is equal to 2. 4 to what power is 2? Well, the square root of 4 is 2, and the 1/2 power is the same as the square root. So x equals 1/2, and it's not this x. I guess this is a totally different x. I probably shouldn't have used x here, but regardless, this part right here equals 1/2. Okay, so what am I going to do for the rest of this to simplify? This 2 by the power rule goes down in front. 2 log base 4 of x. This 3 can go down in front, also by the power rule. And now this thing is completely expanded.